Alright, what is up, you beautiful people? And welcome to yet another, well, first California brand Bicasso video. So, I just picked the bike up and now I'm actually headed over here to get me some food because I haven't eaten since I got off the plane. I'm trying to find this place called Hooks and Anchor. Hopefully, they got some pretty good food. So, I'm hot, but I gotta admit, the ride so far was good. But after I get done eating, I'm gonna show you guys what the bike is. But yeah. So to give you guys some kind of info on what's going on, so I didn't eat when I got on the plane, well I kind of did, but I ate a piece of cake, but I'm here at this place called Hook and Anchor and I ordered the lobster quesadillas. So we're gonna see what that's like, and then after I leave here, I'm probably gonna head towards San Bernardino and I'm gonna go meet up with Bitter Bobber. But, oh, well, of course I still gotta show you guys the bike, but yeah, it's the bike.
Brandon, you or Chrissy want to close? I need to know.
Pretty good.
Ask her she does.
Gotta admit, guys, I think I need one of these places in Alabama, but I just got the Cajun fries. There's a guy that sat beside me that I just talked to for about 30 minutes. He had a lobster sub and he had some Cajun fries and he let me try one. So yeah, I'm hooked on Cajun fries now here. But after I leave here, I'm gonna show you guys the bike and then probably gonna go ride some beaches before I go meet up with Bitter Bobber in San Bernardino. So yeah. Oops, excuse me. Oh, you too, thank you. Alright folks, gotta say I'm freaking full. And now I'm gonna show you guys the bike and I'm about to hop on the bike and probably go ride through Laguna Beach. But to give you guys a quick little backstory, so back when we first decided to do this SCMM trip, and that by I mean Bitter Bobber, MeatBall Rebel, J Fast, we were all basically trying to get down to this event, but all of us couldn't make it, and me particularly, of course, I had to figure out how I was gonna get a bike down here. So what I ended up doing, I reached out to Indian Motorcycles and I asked them could they sponsor me a bike while I was here, and they delivered. So here is my bike for the Cali trip. So Indian gave me a 2019 Indian Chieftain, and I wanted to be sure that this was possible, but they gave me one with, of course, all the ice, the floorboards, the grips and everything, and it has a 116 in it. That's right, Indian gave me a Chieftain with a 116 in it. So this is my ride while I'm in Cali, and I'm gonna enjoy the absolute crap out of it. But I'm gonna give you guys a detailed I guess a detailed B-roll shot of it and everything, but right now I'm about to hop on the bike and head down to Laguna Beach and try to meet up with Bitter Bobber, MeatBall Rebel and everybody, get settled in, and then I'll try to do some more video. But until then, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything that we got going, because a lot of stuff is about to happen, including the ride to Vegas. We still got SCMM, and then we got all the awesome content that I got coming with this 2019 Indian Chieftain 116 that Indian gave me. Yeah, they gave me a motorcycle. So, yeah, stay tuned. All right, I gotta roll it to get it in gear. But we're here with this 116, y'all. This 116, man, let me tell you guys. It is so good, y'all. I'm about to head down to Laguna and see if I can get me some awesome rides in.